It's best to not get out on the roads if you can avoid it. I know some folks can't avoid it, but there'll be a lot of slick spots tomorrow morning, not only because of refreezing, but tonight's a good setup for fog development. We've got a lot of low-level moisture with the snow and ice bank that we still have ongoing. We have very light winds as well. And the problem, of course, yes, fog is going to give us low visibility, but in addition to that, freezing fog, because we're going below freezing. Obviously, we'll be in the teens in many places tomorrow morning. Freezing fog is not going to give us like thick ice buildup like an ice storm does, but what it does is all those tiny little water droplets, everything they hit on the surface that's below freezing, which is the ground, your trees, cars, all that type of stuff, will get a little bit of slickness to it. So adding to the refreezing is freezing fog and slick spots early tomorrow morning. 36 are high today, 14 are low this morning. Obviously still well below normal, but good to be above freezing for at least a few hours this afternoon. I think we'll do it again tomorrow and likely Thursday before another plunge of really cold air comes back in Friday and into the weekend. We're talking like single digits again at night. Teens and low 20s tonight, refreezing and slick spots. Adding to that again is the freezing fog developing late tonight. So again, a lot of slick spots with low visibility. Give yourself 2 or 3 times the amount of time you would typically need to get where you're going. If you have to be out tomorrow morning, we'll go back above freezing in most spots tomorrow afternoon for at least a few hours. So there'll be additional melting tomorrow and slushiness, but it's all refreezing again tomorrow night. We'll go 12 in Blytheville, 12 in Dyersburg, down to 20 in Oxford tomorrow morning. Again, some low visibility. I don't think it's going to be everywhere, but it'll certainly include a large chunk of the viewing area with near zero visibility, combined with a lot of slick places as well, again, early on your Wednesday. A little bit of cloud cover kind of sliding in from the southwest right now, kind of gentle southwesterly winds. It's the reason why we are finally above freezing today. No precipitation with that. Our only chance for something falling from the sky would be Friday. It looks like a couple of snow showers, but it's not going to add to the problems that we already have. We're certainly not getting another winter storm or anything like that anytime soon. 30 in Blytheville, 32 in Covington, 33 in Jackson. Temperature is going to tumble here quickly this evening as soon as the sun goes down. By 10 o'clock, we've already got high teens and low 20s for most of us. A few places like Oxford still in the mid-20s at that point. Early tomorrow morning, most of us are starting off in the teens. We'll quickly rebound back to near freezing, if not slightly above it if you're down south by lunchtime. Then those afternoon highs, mostly lower to mid-30s, a few places upper 30s, and I think even a few low 40s down across North Mississippi tomorrow afternoon. So yes, additional melting, but additional refreezing tomorrow night as we tumble again back into the teens and low 20s by early Thursday morning. That problem's not going to change until we get rid of everything on the roads, which is not going to be until middle of next week. We've got quiet weather aside from the fog issues at night. That will happen again tomorrow night and into early Thursday. Again, we do get a couple of snow showers in a few places on Friday. It's not going to be everybody, but as I said, no additional accumulation, no added problems from that as it moves on through fast. 17 tonight. Very cold, freezing fog issues, low visibility in the morning. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon, not bad. A lot of mid-30s, even a few low 40s down south. Partly cloudy skies. That sunshine always helps out as well. Thursday's not bad. We get some more warming. I'm not going to rule out a couple places, even high 40s across North Mississippi on Thursday. But that second cold plunge comes back in. We've got lower to mid 20s for highs Friday and Saturday. Some single digits at night. Again, it's really next week when we can get back into the 40s and stay there for several days that we'll start to get rid of all this mess.
Yeah, 40s looking like a heat wave.
Yeah, for sure.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah.